Here is how to use the Notion GTD, the all-in-one tool for getting things done. This is a simple GTD template, but if you want a more complex one, leave a comment below. First, let's capture a new task and head over to the inbox. Here you can add the priority, related project, and once you add the due date, it will be moved from the inbox. Then we have the Today view, where you can only see what you need to get done today so that you will be more productive. Below that, we have a calendar view of both this week and this month. If you want to be more focused, you should use the weekly view to not get distracted. If you drag tasks around, you will automatically change the due date. On the right side, you can see the tasks for tomorrow, and you can see the respective project and mark them as completed. Then there is a This Week view that goes along with the calendar view of this week. And then we have the completed view. Instead of marking the checkbox as done, you can drag any task to the completed view and it will be marked as done. You can even drag tasks from a calendar view. Then you get to your projects. They are categorized by live and completed projects. And by checking the archive box, you can archive any project. And you can easily open up any page and just start writing. Last but not least, we have our database. This is a simple GTD template in Notion. If you want a more complex one, leave a comment below and I will create it. But I know that many of you prefer a simple and easy to use template rather than a super complex one. And don't forget to subscribe